Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer here at BGSU, with our weekly COVID-19 health update. In our most recent reporting period for this week, we've seen a very similar number of COVID-19 cases as compared to the previous week. So we're very stable or plateaued at our number of cases. This is a great first step as we settle into the spring semester. It would be excellent to see these numbers continue to come down over the course of the next several weeks, and we all can play a part in doing that. We have to be really mindful of our interactions in gatherings and keeping our social circles small. We know we've heard of some off-campus gatherings that have drove the cases up a little bit, and we want to watch for that. If we continue to do the things of gather in small circles with those close friends and keep those case numbers low, we can open up more events and activities in a safe fashion as we move forward throughout the spring semester. So vaccines are rolling out across Wood County, but the supplies are still limited compared to the demand. We're still looking at this first group of those who are 80 years or older, and then we're going to be starting to move into those who are 75 or older. They're the most at risk for adverse conditions from this virus, and so that's where we're focusing first. The goal is, as more vaccines come into the county, we're hopeful to be able to do mass vaccination clinics as we get thousands and thousands of doses, but we're just not quite there yet. And so that's why we need everybody to still be careful while we're making our way towards that point, but hopefully soon we'll be able to see these large numbers of vaccinations and move forward in being able to do larger events then as well. We're looking forward to continue to watch the trends and share these with you. And we really appreciate everyone who has done their part to keep our numbers low. We recognize the vaccine is rolling out, and every week more and more people are getting immunity, which is going to allow us to move closer and closer to more of a sense of normalcy where we can open up some of these events. But we need a little more time to roll out more vaccinations and protect those who are most at risk, and so we all can play our part in doing this. We thank you for all that you've been doing, and we look forward to continuing to open things up as we see these numbers come down.